Hi guys, hope you all are doing good. So today we are going to do the unboxing of Galaxy Watch 4. One interesting thing about this watch is it is using Google's Wear OS 3. Earlier Samsung used their own OS, but this time they have moved to Google's Wear OS 3. So it is said to have a good integration between all the Galaxy apps and all the Google's app. So let's start the unboxing of this phone and let's see how it looks like. This comes with a wireless charger. The charger build quality looks good. Anyway, we'll talk about it later. The watch comes with built-in GPS, NFC. It has 1.5 GB of RAM, 16 GB of internal storage. This is IP68 water and dust resistant, and it has 247 milliampere of battery, and it is said to provide 40 hours of battery life. So the first thing I guess would be to pair it with my Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. So we are all set to use the watch now. There are a lot of options been provided in Samsung Wearables app. So we have watch faces, we have app screens, we have different tiles, we have quick panel. So we can customize the watch as per our need. We can also add different things here like NFC button, touch sensitivity, volume, and a lot of other things. Yeah. Take a tour of my watch. Okay, let's see. Oh, it was quite simple. So you swipe up. Okay, don't miss a thing. New notifications. Okay, orange dot means new notifications. That means we have some notification. We can easily swipe up from the left to get all the notifications. So it's quite simple, guys. So we have all the quick panel tabs here. Even we can add more quick panel icons here, NFC, touch sensitivity, volume, all those things. Or we can swipe up from bottom to see all the apps. Swipe from left for the notifications. Again, swipe from right for the tiles. Daily activity, walking, running, body compositions, sleep, weather, all those things. Blood pressures, ECG, heart rate, stress, and you can add more tiles here. Okay, there are so many tiles here. You can control your birds from here. You can have quick contacts. You can have your media controller. You can have a calendar reminder, blood oxygen, food, health summary, steps. Together you can share your data for Samsung Health with your friends or relative, so you can track it together. And water, women's health, weather, world clock, and many more. Also, one thing we can do, we can simply go here and change the watch faces, I guess. Yeah, so we can use this one or this one. This looks pretty cool. Now, yeah, if we open the if we go to our Galaxy Watch wearables app, then we can change the watch faces from here as well. Yeah, this looks pretty cool. Also, we have some classic watch faces here. Okay, I need to install it anyway, let it be now. And we can also go to app screen, like this menu app screen. We can modify from here. Also, we can modify the tiles. We can add what are all the tiles that I can add: alarm, birds, controller, contacts, that we have already seen in the watch. So we can control the watch from our app, from our mobile. And the quick panel settings. So yeah, we have also seen this in the watch. We can do many settings. We can change many settings here, like set up the sound and vibration, notifications, Samsung Health, advanced features like SOS, emergency contacts, all the button press, all these things. Anyway, those will be doing it later. Now we can activate the Find My Watch. Also, we can go to store for more applications. We have the sensor on the back, and the band is really sturdy enough. The watch comes with a standard magnetic wireless charger. So this will complete the full charge in just less than 2 hours. And the watch has a touch sensitive bezel, which you can swipe up or down to get different options. Body compositions, sleep, location, notifications, everything. Walking, running, different modes here. Yeah, we can simply go here. Yeah, all those things. So the band is really nice, and I like this color. We can also get all these different bands in the Samsung official website. That's it for now. Hope the video was really helpful to you. And if you liked the video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.